How to create and send invoices in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho Books. Now at the left hand corner of your screen, you're going to be tapping on sales. Now locate where you see invoices and tap on it. Head over to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on new. Now guys, the first thing to do is to add up your customer's name. Now you're going to be tapping on the drop down and you can add an existing customer, or you can go ahead and create a new customer just in case you don't already have an existing customer. That is why I'm going further with doing this step. Now this particular step, you just have to fill it according to your customer's details. Now just go ahead step by step and fill it according to their details, the customer you are planning on sending this invoice to. Now you want to go ahead and click on save when you are done inputting the details, and you would notice that the customer name right now should be visible on your screen. Now the next place to go to is to head over to invoice. Now you want to click on the gear icon at invoice, and you can either choose between auto generating the invoice number or manually imputing it. I am choosing auto generating, and when you are done you want to click on save. Now head over to order number, and then you want to type in the number which this order is. The reason why I'm not touching my invoice date is because it's correct. I sold it on the same day I'm making the invoice, but just in case yours is not like that, feel free to correct it. Go ahead and add up the salesperson, the person who sold these goods to your customer. Now if you have a subject for this invoice, now is the right time to type it in. Now we're heading over to the item table, and the first thing to do is to add up the item this customer actually bought. And the next would be the quantity of the item they bought. Is it 1, 2, whatever quantity it is, it's time for you to impute it. Now the next section is for you to add in tax. Now if there's any tax associated with this particular item, it's time for you to add it up. Please don't forget, you can add in as many items as the customer bought. You just need to go through the same process as we did in adding up the first one. You can add in as many as you want, but in my case my customer only bought an item, and that is the reason why it's just one over there. Now the next thing you want to do is to add up the shipping cost. Obviously someone who bought something needs this shipped down to his or her house, so you want to add up how much is the shipping cost, and you would notice that everything is adding up. Now if the shipping cost also comes with a tax, it's time for you to add it up, but mine did not. Now if this is a payment that you've already received, you want to check the box, I have received the payment. And when we are done with everything, you want to go to the bottom of your screen and click on save and send. And over here you can see a sample of the invoice that will be sent to your client. Now you want to make sure you verify the email address is going to, and you can also type in a short note that will be attached to this email address, but that is if you like. And when you are done, you want to scroll down to where you see attach invoice PDF. Now you can actually uncheck that box just in case you don't want the PDF attached to this email. And when you are done with everything, you want to click on send, and this invoice should be sent to your client's email. And guys, that is how easy it is to create and send invoice in Zoho Books. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.